Arrive in style with this 2008 Toyota RAV4 Limited. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include power outlet, passenger airbag, front reading lamps, auxiliary audio input, automatic headlights, cruise control, rear head airbag, and AM/FM stereo. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.